Hello once again everyone, it is Jello here, and today we are going to take a first look at the X3treme RGB Aura 16GB memory kit from OCPC. I honestly haven't heard of OCPC before, but with a little bit of research, they are a US-based company which started by providing memory and storage since 2007. But today, they are more than just that. Now they also have GPUs, gaming chairs, PSUs, and cooling fans. What we have here is the white version of these RAM sticks, but they also come in black. You can also choose kits from 2666 up to 4000 MHz. Of course, these RAM modules are RGB, but if you want to be able to change to different lighting modes, you'd have to have an ASUS motherboard with Aura Sync. I don't have an ASUS motherboard, so I didn't get to test different modes, but out of the box, the default lighting mode is a rainbow wave effect. For the performance, I didn't really get to test them as well, but OCPC says that it can earn higher than its rated specs. I don't have information about the pricing yet, but these will come very soon at retail stores near you. And that is it for today, and I hope you liked this very short video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.